Every day your pet speaks to Allah in prayer. Speaks to Allah in a dua. What does it say? It says, "Oh Allah, my owner is taking care of me. He's spending on me. He's looking after me. Oh Allah, look after him. Increase in his rizq. Bless him. Protect him. Protect his children." And their dua is tasbih, so it's accepted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's acknowledged by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That is why one form of continuous sadaqah is to have pets. Continuous sadaqah. As you spend, it is considered sadaqah fi sabilillah. In fact, we think, animals are not even important in the religion of Islam. Animals are a source of blessing. Domesticated animals, pets, are a source of blessing upon the family and the household. And there are many. If you look at Kitab Bihar al-Anwar al-Allama al-Majlisi, several volumes